Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to use EBSCO host. I'm here on the Clipper Library website on the database page, and I'm going to click on EBSCO host. And when I open this up, there are a lot of choices that can be a little confusing and overwhelming. Just a reminder that we share this database with the whole city of Portsmouth, so the public library and all of the schools. So you can see some of these databases are for younger kids, such as Explora for Kids and Novelist K-8, and then some of them are for adult services. I am going to go over here to all EBSCO resources from NHEW link, because that kind of gives the biggest source of information to search in. And I like to select all and hit continue. And it brings me to this page. So it's searching in all of the databases that are for teenagers and adults. So here you'll see you can put in search terms, you can use your Boolean operators and, or, and not. You can select a field that you can look for a phrase in all of the text. You can just look for an author, a subject, a title. And then down here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can limit your results even further by clicking full text. So that you're not just getting the abstract, you're seeing the full text of the article. You definitely want to check that. Published date, you can change it to only look at, say, articles from 2010 to 2018. And then you can also look at peer-reviewed articles, which those articles are more credible because they've been reviewed by peers, scholarly articles. So that's sort of just a brief overview. I really want you to get in there and explore. You can also go back and you can just look at Explora for students if you want and see what's in that database. Really go in here and check it out and see what works best for you. Good luck.